Hi there, I'm going to show you how to enroll in our class Moodle. So the first thing you want to do is come here to the university homepage. You'll click up here at the top, Moodle banner. When you click that, it will bring you here to the online login page. Up here in the corner, you'll press login. And here you'll put in your UB credentials. You will log in. Once you log in, it might, if you're a new student, ask you to set up a profile. You'll need to do that in order to continue. Once you have your profile set up, you want to go to courses up here. Now this is where you will search for the course. You can put in this search bar ENGL 120 and go. Now I do have two sections of 120, so make sure you're putting in the right section. I have a 121N and a 123N. So you want to check the right section and the right semester. So you will scroll down. Notice that this is fall 2018. That's an old course. So you want to keep scrolling down till you see my name in the proper section. Okay, you'll see here 120. Now this is for my 1N group. This is this semester. If you're in the 1N group, you'll click here. If you're in the other group, you'll want to keep scrolling and go to the 3N. Okay, so it depends on which group you're in. Once you click on that, I'm already enrolled in it, but you should get a self-enrollment form like this. So you'll just say enrollment. Once you're enrolled in the course, you will come here to the course homepage when you click on the title. Now I'm just going to switch here to my student mode so that you can see the page as you will see it. Okay, so now I'm viewing this as a student. Now I'm looking at the 123N, but the 121N looks pretty much identical. I will be changing my WhatsApp number. We were assigned new cell phones for the faculty, so I'll be putting that in. You could still use this, but I prefer you use the new UB cell phone number. Okay, so if you come in here, you should be able to look around. You'll see you can have this menu open, and it's all listed, the course, week by week. You can close this menu if you like by selecting that menu icon up there in the corner. So you have a full page, and when you scroll down, you'll see there'll be information that might be videos. I have information about the course, some general course information. When you click on the title, it will open it up and give you the information. If you come back up here, you can go back to that main page or just press back on your browser. If there's any announcements, you will see them in here. Once you're registered for the course, you'll automatically get sent an email unless you change your settings whenever I post something new. So I have this pinned up right now. And again, to go back to the main page. Now, as I said, it's listed week by week. I have week 1 here, introductions. These are everything that we had done in class before Dorian. I did put class 2 slides up. And then week 2, everything's an argument, critical reading. We started to get into this. I realize probably my Thursday class, I forget which section that is, but we may not have got to most of the material that we did for the Monday, Wednesday class since we closed the campus that Thursday before the storm. But you should just go through here. I have listed all the things that we did, the assignments that were due. Most of you turned in these assignments, and I will be giving them back. If you meet with me, I can give it back to you. And I will be setting up the grade book probably here in Moodle, so that way we can keep track of it in Moodle. And you'll see I have my class 3 slides, class 4 slides. I also have the Apocalypso article, which is the last article that we were working on before the break. Now you'll see here, we are restarting here at week 3, post-Dorian. Now I just have some information about what I am expecting you to do this week. So this is our transition week. I'm not really expecting much. I want to get people up into the Moodle, find out what you need, just sort of being able to get the information I need about the students, because I know this is a big transition to come back into class. So the first assignment due here is responding to Apocalypso, which I assigned before we left. Again, if you don't have the article or you lost your booklet, I will be providing all the materials. If you have the booklet, great. Some of you lost it or might not have it, but I'll be providing all the materials that we'll use, and I'll put it up here on the Moodle. So make sure you go through here, okay? I don't have these other weeks ready yet, but you can see that as I open them, you'll be able to see the material for each of the consecutive weeks, okay? There's another thing you can look at. You can come up here and look at your dashboard. Your dashboard should give you the assignment that is due for any courses that you're in. It will put them together. And then here on your dashboard, you can also see in the courses that you're enrolled in, how much percent that you've completed in the course. So this is the basic elements of Moodle, but if you come to a meeting with me or see me in my office hours, which I'll be establishing starting next week, I'll be happy to go through any of these with you to help you work with the Moodle. Okay, so good luck with joining, and I hope to see you real soon. Thanks.